all the newest AI that you have to know. Unlock the incredible potential of AI and discover how it is revolutionizing our lives. Join us as we explore the exciting possibilities and implications of AI technology. In this video, you will explore the exciting possibilities of artificial intelligence and how it's revolutionizing the way we live. From personalized e-commerce experiences to smarter gaming and more accurate healthcare, AI is revolutionizing multiple industries and drastically changing the way that we interact with our technology. However, ethical considerations and social implications must be explored. So join us as we explore the potential uses and implications of AI technology. Stay up to date with the latest AI news and explore the potential of AI technology with us on AI Today. Subscribe now to join the conversation and keep watching this video to learn more. AI applications offer a lot of potential for e-commerce. They can analyze customer data, figure out who the target market is, and create customized experiences to make customers feel closer to the products. From proactive customer service to automated personalization tools, AI is changing the way that companies do their day-to-day operation and make personalized offers. As AI continues to develop, it's important to understand what it can do and how to use it responsibly. We need to find a way to use AI to get the most out of what we benefit without taking away human control completely. That's still a challenge for developers today. AI has so many potential uses in education and more creative applications are being developed all the time. It's important to remember that AI shouldn't be used to replace teachers or other educators, but instead should help people by providing the right material and personalized learning for a larger group of people. With the right strategies in place, monitoring student data in a responsible way, creating AI solutions that fit the needs of individual lessons, and AI could completely change the way we learn. This is an exciting time where we can start to explore how artificial intelligence tools can work within existing educational systems to get the best results. One interesting question about AI in education is how might AI shape our understanding of public schooling in the future? Share your thoughts on how key stakeholders can make responsible choices when developing hospital environments with AI-powered systems. Leave a comment below. Artificial intelligence is becoming a more important and bigger aspect of our lives. Autonomous vehicles use machine learning and object detection to drive safely and reduce fatalities by detecting potential collisions before they happen. Spam filters use AI to help filter out spam emails, and Gmail now has near perfect accuracy. Facial recognition technology is being used in many industries to provide secure access while keeping the highest level of security. Recommendation systems provide customized content for users and make it easier to see how big of an impact this technology can have on our everyday lives. But artificial intelligence isn't just limited to lifestyle applications. There's still new ground to explore, like navigation technologies. How could AI play a bigger role here? What kind of features would be beneficial if more virtual assistant software were enabled through GPS services instead of relying solely on manual input from drivers like Google Maps does today? Navigation is changing with the help of artificial intelligence. Autonomous cars use AI to drive safely, and GPS services use machine learning to give you accurate directions quickly. Uber uses AI to analyze traffic and map the best route for customers. AI is also being used in healthcare. AI can predict disease progression and reduce errors from medical imaging devices like MRI scanners. This helps doctors make fast and accurate diagnoses, but there are still challenges with protecting patient information and ethical concerns about predictive models and bias-related errors. Can we really trust AI? Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the healthcare industry, helping doctors make more precise and accurate diagnoses. AI can also detect anomalies from medical imaging devices like MRI scanners much faster than humans can. For example, AI can be used to build machines that detect diseases like cancer earlier than manual monitoring. AI can also analyze chronic conditions with lab results and other patient information to predict health risks for people who are under long-term care. This information can also be used to help experts create new drugs faster. Advanced technology brings many benefits to healthcare and agriculture, from AI systems connected to smart IoT applications used to control greenhouses to robots that help farmers. But we must consider the ethical implications of using algorithms to make decisions that affect human lives. How can stakeholders make responsible choices when developing hospital environments? Share your thoughts on how key stakeholders can make responsible choices with AI-powered systems. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. AI is being used in agricultural sectors with amazing results. Through computer vision, robotics, and machine learning, AI systems can detect defects and nutrient deficiencies in soils, identify where weeds are growing, and help with crop harvesting faster than humans can do alone, all while using minimal energy resources. This technology is not only beneficial for large farms, but it also helps small dairies. AI can quickly provide autonomous maintenance like mowing, saving farmers time and resources while maintaining multiple farmland plots across remote locations. This raises an interesting question. What kind of social implications does using artificial intelligence have when it comes to running our farming operations? Will countries that previously relied heavily on cheap labor switch to machines run by complex algorithms, potentially leading to economic turmoil due to the loss of jobs? We need to think about if we are going to deploy more widespread use of these technologies in our farms around the world. AI is being used in gaming to make the experience more realistic and exciting. AI-controlled characters interact with the player, learning their habits over time to create a unique experience each time they play. This makes the game more interesting and keeps players coming back. Outside of gaming, artificial intelligence is being used like financial technology or fintech. Companies can use algorithms and machine learning to look at customers' buying history and create predictive analytics models. This helps customers manage their finances better by giving them personalized services and requests based on their spending habits and credit scores. But one important request remains: can AI help reduce risk when investing? AI can be used to help with budgeting, predicting future expenses, and managing finances. It can accurately analyze data from bank statements and other financial holdings to create a more accurate estimation of current expenses and future savings goals. This helps people stay on track within their budgets by giving them valuable insights into where they may need to save money, like paying down debt, cutting expenses, or increasing income. In addition to lending services enabled through AI technology like automated credit investment processes that enable businesses to access funds faster, investment firms are leveraging machine learning algorithms for stock analysis. This involves automating traditional analytical models like fundamental analysis, a widely accepted metric used to forecast returns related to share prices, as well as technical analysis, which helps to analyze company pricing trends across different timeframes. This helps to make decisions based on predictive modeling rather than sentiment-driven rationale that can be influenced by human biases. AI is also being used in mortgage underwriting support systems, heavily increasing accuracy and trust between all parties involved. The use of artificial intelligence technology has clearly opened up many new opportunities, but it raises an interesting question. Can automation improve existing ethical standards? How can we ensure that those using these tools do so ethically? AI is revolutionizing the way that we live, from autonomous vehicles to facial recognition, spam filters, and recommendation systems. It's also being used in e-commerce, education, healthcare, agriculture, gaming, and financial technology. AI can help us make better decisions, reduce risk, and automate mundane tasks, but with these new technologies come ethical considerations. How do we ensure that those using AI do so responsibly and ethically? These are important questions that need to be addressed in order to make sure AI is used in a way that benefits everyone. Are you ready to explore the possibilities of AI technology and see what the future holds for MyHeritage? Tune in now to find out what AI Time Machine has in store for us. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to discover the potential of AI and the future of MyHeritage.